Okay, now that we have covered the basics of what Git is, let's actually download, get a little hands-on, and start working with Git at the command prompt. And so we're going to need to download and install Git. Before you do that, you might as well check if it's already installed. You can do that by opening up a command prompt and typing in git. If this is a recognized command, in other words, you're getting this help screen, then you know Git is in fact installed. You can tell what version with a minus minus version, or there it is. I've currently have 2.40.1. It looks like the latest release is 2.43.1. And so I'm on Windows, so I can download this update for Windows. I'll go ahead and do that and run through, and just why not. Click here to download. It is worth mentioning the URL for Mac users is up at the in the window here, gitscm.com download Mac. You need to install what's called Homebrew and then run this brew install git command. So a little bit different for our Mac users. We'll let that download finish, and I will launch it out of my downloads folder and click on install. Okay, now that I've got the most up-to-date version, let's click on finish. The next thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that you have your user set up correctly on Git. As you start working on teams, you're going to be performing commits, and you want your name associated with those commits. And so I'm going to do a git config list. And what you can see here is that I do have my username set and my email address set correctly. Again, as you work on teams, you want your name and your email properly set. Now, if it's not set, we can add a git config minus minus global dot space user dot name, and we can change it as such. And so if that variable is not set, you can change your user dot name this way, and the same difference with the email. Like that. And so that is how you download, install, and configure Git, at least configure Git at the command prompt.